So I'm a direct descendant of Catherine Fox. She was an Irish famine orphan girl who arrived here at Hyde Park Barracks in 1848. She spent a few months here whilst she was waiting to be employed and to see what was going to happen next in her life. I feel really proud to be so connected to the Hyde Park Barracks. I think it's such an interesting part of Sydney and Australia's history, rather a checkered past. There have been so many different types of people who have walked through this building, and I feel really quite touched to have such a tangible connection to this place and to know that a young woman took a huge risk for a better life, and it, for all accounts, turned out to be very much worth it. I was thrilled to be invited to be part of Fiona Hall's installation, Who Goes Here. She is an amazing Australian artist. We're so lucky to have her here at Hyde Park Barracks and to create such a beautiful artwork. I think this artwork is stunning because it's so immersive, and it just gives people the opportunity to read in quite a short amount of text some amazing stories about some really incredible people.